30% of all the students who are connected to Apna Government Job and those who are preparing for NILET are working professionals, and few of them message me personally on Instagram and on WhatsApp also that make video or just give them schedule, okay, about their preparation, that how to prepare with job, because the last video was for fully, I can say, those who preparing full time, right? So this video is specially dedicated to working professionals and I can say MTech students, how you can manage study with your job or your MTech classes, right? And this preparation strategy video for NILET STQC last 60 days is dedicated for you guys. Now the question is that how to do, okay? And the last video is very much important for you, that you need to see completely whatever the information I share there, you need to see that or hear that, okay? In this video only I will touch the time constraint which you have already, okay? In short time, how you can maximize your output, or how you can complete your syllabus fast, okay? In this video we will focus on that only. Rest of the points already I mentioned in that video. Just you can skip that schedule part which was for freshers who are preparing for full time, okay? So lots of things I will share with you, that when I was preparing for the BIRC with job actually, okay, how I manage my time, what things I did. So you will get a little idea and you can adapt that and you can apply into your routine and you can get your output, right? So before that, motivation, which is very much important in the start only, so that it will drive you to watch the full video and to get the confidence that yes, you can do, okay? The main important thing is that whether you can do it or not, this doubt I guess should be will be there, but definitely you can do. Why? Here it is. So you can see that out of 100%, which is your total 100% for selection, okay, 85% weightage is for your scientist B and 15% weightage is for your interview, okay? So this is for exam and this is for interview. Now I am assuming that most of you applied to scientist B post. Obviously I don't think you will interested in STA post, okay? 90% I guess, and 10% rest of the I guess they apply to both the posts. So I will more focus on this only, that your scientist B, because after working for 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, okay, I don't think the STA will be your choice, okay? So that's why our full dedicated discussion for scientist B, definitely it will be applicable for STA. As you already know, there is no much difference in both the post or both the exam pattern, okay? Just in STA what we have direct selection, but here we have interview, okay? Now see, your challenge, you need to beat all the freshers, those who are preparing full time, okay? So this is our challenge and this is your advantage, okay? This is your challenge and this is your advantage. Why? Because in interview definitely you will get maximum marks out of this 15% if you compare with those who you are preparing, or those who are fresher preparing full time, right? So this is the motivation for you, that here you are already leading because of your experience, because of your work, that's why, right? Now this is challenging part, and if you manage this part, if you able to get 65 above also, or 70 above also, 70% above also, then definitely you can make it, okay? That is sure. Now the question is how this thing we need to tackle now, and already you are leading here we need to take care, that's it, okay? So this is the motivation for you, that for interview 15% there is no problem for you at all, but for exam definitely there is, but definitely in this video it will get resolved now, okay? Now at my time, okay, obviously there was work from office, now it is work from home also, so I will consider both the scenarios, that work from home and work from office. At few places office gets started now, I know, so few people are going to the office. Majority of people obviously are at home only, but definitely it is not good as you can say WFO, because at WFH people need to work more, okay, more hours. You can relate definitely if you are doing work from home and you are putting more hours as compared to those days, or I can say office days, right? So now combinedly I will tell you for both the people, that WFH and WFO, how you can do, what you can do. So first point, that how much hours you have per day, okay, for both the people. So definitely minimum, okay, minimum, and this I am telling based on my personal experience, so I know that this you will get at least, okay, at least you can get minimum daily, I can say Monday to Friday, 4 to 5 hours minimum. Maximum is depend on you. Okay, your desire and all the things are there which will drive you to preparation, but 4 to 5 hours minimum you will get. This is my guarantee. Okay, now how you can get this is up to you. Either in morning 2 hours or in evening 2 hours, like that. Either in direct evening 4 hours, like that. Either in morning 1 hour, evening 3 hours, like that. It will vary depending on your routine. Okay, at which time your job is there. Those who have afternoon shift, that is 2 a.m, obviously whole morning is there. Okay, 2 to 10 I guess your shift will be there. And if you sleep at 12 also, then definitely in morning you can do 4 hours of study. Okay, that is sure. Now the advantage is that for WFH, as a majority of people doing that. Okay, see, at my time at WFO, I need to revise my notes, or I can say quizzes at my office also. But I can't focus was fully not there, because there here. Okay, that someone is looking at me, they will ask question that what you are doing and all these things, because to keep this preparation secret is means it is important, right? To avoid majority of questions. And definitely some people are there who will demotivate, that don't do, you can't do with job and everything. Okay, people cracked IAS, GATE, BRC, all of exam. Okay, I can say good level exams with job. So it is not like you can't do with job. It is just that how you can do and what you should do to prepare or to crack that exam. Okay, this is the thing only. So now it is WFH, you are at your home only. Okay, side by side you can put your notes, your book, your application. Our application is there which having mini test, lots of things you can do. There is no pressure at all. Okay, and it is not like that in 8 hours of duty you are continuously doing duty. Definitely in breaks, okay, you are taking breaks also, lunch break also. Someday work will be less, definitely someday will be more, because in IT basically it will get compensated. Okay, at one day there is no work, but at other day there is lots of work, so ultimately it will got out of. So that's why I am telling you that now you have advantage with you, those who are doing work from home. Okay, you can continuously in touch with your study also and your work also. This thing you need to manage. First thing, this is the advantage for you and you should grab that. Okay, so 4 to 5 hours, this is the minimum study, which is your quality study, I can say, with no work. And yes, with if you are doing, if you fetch some minutes from your work time also, then definitely it will increase. Okay, and Saturday Sunday majority of people have holidays. Some people who are working on Saturday, you can consider this to Monday to Saturday, like that. Okay, now see, if I tell you that on Saturday Sunday you guys have holiday, you have off days. Okay, do 16 hour study. This is not practically possible, I know that, because I never did that, so I will not tell you also, right? Because see, Monday to Friday office work was there, lots of work we do in the office. Okay, then some pressure also there, some thing happen in office that will continuously hammer us. Okay, like that, means lots of things are there. So that's why what you can do on Saturday, okay, either you can divide this Saturday as one is your relaxed day which will relax you from this Monday to Friday routine. Okay, and the next half, that is the half you can, suppose you are relaxing for in Saturday, and next half you can start your study. Okay, and this Saturday and Sunday will be your dedicated study with full focus. There is no office, there is nothing. Directly on Monday you will join. So if Saturday evening, you suppose evening you start with this, okay, from 5 p.m. So from Saturday 5 p.m. to Sunday night, that is 10 p.m. this will be your day. It is not like Saturday and Sunday, it will be one day only. Okay, from the day you started, full get relaxed, just forget all the things which happen in office, at office only. Okay, and then you can start with this. So this is the one part. Okay, now how much you should study? Okay, if you are, so suppose I am considering on Saturday also you will get 4 to 5 hours after relaxing and everything. Okay, don't go to party and everything. This is not relaxing. Relaxing means to spend some time with yourself. Okay, just to watch something entertaining and like that. It is not like go outside, okay, roam here and there and then come back in the night. You will get tired, and definitely on Sunday you will sleep for late hours. This we don't want. Okay, this we don't want, because we have this two only, and today is Saturday only, right? Tomorrow is Sunday, and like this we have next 7 Saturday and Sundays till your exam, because your exam is on 5th of September. 5th of December. which will be on Sunday only. Okay, so total 7 Saturday Sunday we have, and this Saturday Sunday, obviously Saturday evening this video will be get recorded and you will get that in the night only. So I will consider this Sunday. So this strategy you can apply tomorrow also. Okay, on Sunday now, minimum I am telling you, minimum you can do. Okay, you can do definitely 8 hours study. Minimum 8 hours you can put for this. Obviously this will be maximized to 14 hours max. It depends on your desire, that means you want to complete your syllabus. Okay, it depends on you only, but minimum 8 hours is required actually. Okay, so this, I guess this routine will be clear to you, that how you can handle. Now according to your, you can modify this. Okay, now next important thing, that is your syllabus, what we have. So technical, I just separate that engineering mathematics here, I will write here, then quant, aptitude, reasoning, and general awareness and general studies. Okay, so this is your total syllabus of NILET. You know that these two have 78 marks, this have 42 marks, total paper 120 marks. Okay, negative marking of 1 mark. Okay, so let's start with our technical syllabus. Now for your job first is to measure that how much syllabus is left. Already in the previous strategy videos, which you will get in the playlist section of NILET STQC in English or Hindi, whatever language you like. Okay, in both language I already give the video. Just see that. Okay, first make your checklist, that what topics you already completed and what are left now. Very much important. Okay, already in the previous strategy video I told the high weightage topic which you can expect for your NILET STQC 2021 exam, that you need to see, or if you saw already, I hope that you already make all the notes from that this is high weightage topic, this must be. Okay, this checklist should be there, so that you will get help from that how much syllabus is left and how much should I cover. Okay, now your primary responsibility is to first complete the syllabus, which is obviously, okay, whatever resources you are using, just use that, or no problem in that. And with this, with completion of syllabus, plus you need to practice, right? And I already told 1000 times till now that you need to practice GATE previous year question, whether you are from EC, whether you are from IN, means you are CHC, IT, whatever branch you have. Without GATE previous year questions, you cannot crack NILET STQC. Okay, that's why your target till exam date, at least you should compulsory solve these questions 3 to 4 times, compulsory, mandatory. Okay, there is no option, otherwise it will get very difficult for you. I am telling you straightforward. Okay, so these two tasks you need to complete side by side. So obviously what you can do, now see what I told you, on Monday to Friday you have 4 hours. Okay, I am considering 4 hours. So 2 hours you can give to technical portion, at least 2 hours you can give. In that 2 hours, try to read the, means whatever you need to complete the syllabus. Okay, try to read 1.5 hours, or if you want to take in 2 hours minimum, I will consider. Okay, minimum, and half hour you can get to GATE previous year practice questions. Okay, for those, for which topic, those who already completed. Okay, for them, for that topic only you need to practice this, and side by side you are completing your syllabus also. Okay, similar you need to do for engineering mathematics. Now according to me, out of this 68 questions are expected from technical, and 10 questions are expected from engineering mathematics. That's why it is very much important for you, right? And I already told you that what your subject, or you can say topics, are important from engineering mathematics in the last video. Okay, so this thing you can do. Second thing, first priority is GATE previous year questions. Okay, second thing, our mini test. Okay, now I will tell you this mini test idea. Actually I designed this mini test because I faced problem at that time. What happens, I traveled actually. Okay, daily I travel, and my traveling time was 4 hours. Okay, 2 hours go to the office and then come back 2 hours, like this. So what I did means, what I do in this 4 hour, I click the pictures of my short notes, my notes, okay, of subjects, and I click the pictures of GATE previous year questions also, because for BIRC also this is very much important. Okay, and in train, because my journey was bus, train, metro. Okay, bus, train, metro. So in this 3 medium I just used to revise notes. Means what I did in bus and train, I will revise the notes, means just looking at the mobile, and I will just read that. And in metro, what I will do, I will solve the practice questions. Means not by hand, because obviously I don't have time, right? Just by looking at this in mind, I treat that okay, this is the concept required. If and I check solution after that. Okay, like this I do. Means from this only I will get the idea, because at that time I don't have much resources. You know that in 2014, 15, 16 like that. There was no much resources right now as you have. Okay, that's why I designed this mini test for you guys, that for CAC 20 20 tests are there for CSE, 15 tests are there, and for EC 10 tests are there. Okay, so your second job, whether you are going for office, okay, compulsory attempt mini test daily. Okay, from today only or tomorrow only, do this regular activity. So first regular activity, giving mini test. Okay, daily, because I will tell you the reason that in mini test only those concepts I include, those which are very much important and which many students may neglect. Okay, that concept or dot topics are there. That's why repeatedly you need to give that test. Okay, here you will solve get previous year questions 3 to 4 times, and mini test you will give daily. Hardly, suppose for CSE there are 20 questions. I don't think more than 10 minutes you require for that. For ECE 10 questions, obviously in 5 minutes you can do that. Okay, I want that mini test also you should attempt 3 to 4 times at least. Okay, now see, giving similar tests you may feel that it is boring, but here the trick is that shuffling will be there, shuffling of questions and shuffling of options also. Okay, so if you are giving mini test 1 first time, then first question will have A, B, C, D, suppose like these options. Okay, A is suppose options are there. Then the next, this first question, in the next again you will attempt this mini test 1. This first question will be suppose 6 question, and these options also get interchanged. So you will feel that something different is there. Okay, so you will not feel bored. I also take care of this also, because I know that similarly similar static test is there, then it is boring. Okay, we only give one time, because I also did the same before. That's why these two problems I identify and I make this you. Okay, I make this for you, and I want that the purpose to make that, I want to tell this purpose, because I want that you should follow this. Okay, you should, and to follow you need to know what is the purpose of that. So that's why repeatedly giving mini test daily is compulsory for you guys. There is no other way. Okay, so suppose 2 hours you dedicate it for your technical part. Okay, you can include engineering mathematics, means you can first complete technical, then engineering mathematics, like that also you can do. There is no problem in that. Okay, don't balance side by side, because in 1.5 hours what you will do, right? That is also the question. So get previous year questions plus mini test daily. Okay, and this will be your routine. 20 minutes is dedicated out of 4 hours, 20 minutes maximum, I am telling again, for mini test. Okay, so this is the part for your technical and for engineering mathematics. Now let's come to non-technical portion, which will have your quant, reasoning and general awareness or general studies. Okay, now here for quant, I hope that few things you already covered. If not, then definitely you can cover. Now we have 2 hours, so 1 hour you can give. First, I will tell you what you can do here. You can complete first quant plus reasoning after that, and after that you can touch GA. Okay. Second option I will give you, that either of one, means either first take quant, complete whole quant topics, come to reasoning, side by side, means plus general awareness. Okay. And this is the recommended one. Why? Because general awareness you need to do current affairs from January month to November month, complete Jan to November you need to do, because our paper is on 5th of December. Okay, general studies is also there, but for now I will keep that aside. So this is, I will recommend you to follow. So suppose 1 hour you are giving to quant, then 1 hour you can give to our January to November magazines. Okay, now in the success pack I included magazine where you are getting January to November. Just you need to repeatedly read that also. Okay, all the things I already give you. Just you need to do, you need to take your time, you need to revise the things. That's it. All the things are there, right? So from magazine you can complete your January to November. Now each magazine have files in that, suppose important days, important events. So there are lots of ways you can do. Either you can complete January 1 full magazine. Okay, or if you want that, if you want to know, suppose do important dates, so you can do important dates. Just click on that file of January, then February, March, April, like that also you can do. It's up to you. Okay, again 2 options I am giving you. whatever you according to your personality, select that and start. Okay, so this is about your current affairs. Now about general studies. This is the problem. Okay, this is the problem, because here we have history, geography, polity, economics, your science, in science, physics, chemistry, biology, which is very huge portion. Now today only in morning one student called me and I told her that just skip that part. Okay, just skip that part, because this is the not right time to do general studies. Okay, because she left with technical portion also, which is the main portion of our preparation, right? That's why I'm also telling you the same thing, that just skip general studies. If you already complete your technical syllabus, quant reasoning, then definitely do that. Okay, then definitely do that, but otherwise don't touch, because I'm telling you, if they ask 12 questions from this, okay, then out of this 12 you can see 8 questions will be from current affairs and 4 will be from only this. Okay, means maximum chances are there. Obviously they can reverse it also, it's up to them, but we will assume na, there is no problem in assuming. So 8 questions will be, means I want to tell highest weightage for current affairs. That's why it is I'm emphasizing more on this part, general awareness part. Okay, so it's up to you. Suppose in November month, I'm also giving you one, no, this is October, right? So if you manage to complete this content reasoning in October, then in November first 15 days also you can do, but this is risky actually, because you don't have much time to do general studies. Okay, so I will left with this to you only, depending on you. I already told that this have very less weightage, but also it is important, but you don't have time, so you can skip that part. Okay, and you can completely focus on general awareness, right? Okay, now quant reasoning I already told you, complete first quant, then first you can do reasoning, 1 hour for quant, 1 hour for general studies, like that. General awareness, and if you want general awareness plus general studies, then you can give 30 minutes also. And this general studies, just take Lucent book, Lucent, purchase that book, and you can read all the things from there. Okay, now our Q box is there in your Knowledge Success Pack. Daily 60 questions you are getting there of quant, reasoning, general awareness, general studies, and English. English is not there, so this 40 questions you will practice daily. So your second compulsory activity of the day is giving Q box. Definitely in the last I will summarize what you need to do. Okay, so hardly for to attempt this 40 questions, I am assuming you will take 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes, like that. So this thing you will do when you are working, means from Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday, compulsory. Okay, second activity. And the third activity of yours will be to read current affairs from website, daily current affair from website. In magazine you will get all the things, right? But if you read daily current affair, at least make habit, because on website we upload suppose 7 to 8 articles, which are very much important as exam point of view only, that we upload. Okay, that's why from website read current affair, and in detail you will study in your magazine box. Okay, this practice you need to do. So if I want to summarize, your 3 compulsory activity which you need to do daily with your working days, on your working days. First will be repeatedly give mini test. Okay, if on the day, now today mini test 4 released. Okay, means you have 4 mini tests. So on Monday you can give 1, 2 also, like that. Repeatedly just give that. I want that each and every concept should get fitted in your mind. Okay, if they ask you this question, okay, that is what is the color of apple, red, black, white, gray, and you practice this question in our mini test, that is which of the following following have red color, banana, grapes, sugarcane, apple, then you can attempt, right? You can give the answer. This is the idea behind this. I hope that everyone got this thing. So practice is very much important. They can frame any questions. Okay, you will be ready for that definitely if they ask a similar concept. That's why repeatedly I want practice of get questions. Okay, now our Saturday and Sunday work. Okay, on Saturday, Sunday, okay, which is your means good time as in continuous flow. Just try to minimize your works. Try to do all the work which are remaining weekdays, because lots of work we have also. Okay, I know that. So just try to complete that works on Saturday. Okay, dedicate your full Sunday for preparation. And on this Sunday now, see, it is not like that you will do all the subjects or all the means for you all the topics are easy. Okay, it is not like that. Some subjects or some topics or some chapter you may feel difficult, okay, to study in this Monday to Friday routine or Monday to Saturday routine. So that topics or that thing you can do here, because peace of mind is there. Okay, there is no stress of work and there is nothing. Just on Sunday continuously you can do study, you can put maximum hours on that. So those topic which you are in which you are not comfortable, you can get here, you can do there. Okay, and those topics which are easy for you, you can do here. Simple. There is, okay, so like this you can complete the syllabus now till November 15th also. If you complete the syllabus, then definitely there is no problem, because your 3 daily activities are there: mini test daily, Q box, and current affair reading, or I can say magazine box reading. It's up to you. Okay, now here suppose I have 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes I will read important days of all January to November. Okay, I can do. You can do what? Okay, see, all the things are well organized, so use wisely. It's up to you that how you can beautifully use them. Okay, it's up to you. All the things from my side I already give that, because I've lots means whatever I faced in the past, that based on that I give already that. Okay, so this is the comfort for you, but how you can utilize, it's up to you only. That I can't help you. Okay, so that's why these 3 activity I want compulsory you should do. Daily GATE previous year questions you can do. Okay, on Sunday also you need to complete the syllabus, and after completion of syllabus, again don't leave this. Okay, this will be keep this continue till the Saturday, which is your before Saturday of your exam, that is your 4th of December, right? And then you can just stop this, but till then repeatedly give this. Also get 3 to 4 times previous year questions. Okay, if you combine GATE previous year, mini test, and our mock test, yeah, mock test were also there, I will just connect there. So total 2000 question you are practicing. Okay, about 2000 question, I am talking about technical only, and this is very big number. All the concept already it's already covered in that. Okay, so I means there will be no problem. And for NILET we don't require this will be sufficient for NILET. It is not like BRC that lots of things are required. It is NILET. Okay, interview and exam is easy of NILET. So it means a very good opportunity to get the scientist B post. Okay, with less effort I can say, if I can compare to BRC, right? So just make habit from tomorrow to do this all these things. NILET success pack link I will give in the comment section. Okay, it is your duty to join this and to start according to this, if you really want to crack this exam. Okay, next thing, that your mock test, when to give actual mock test. So if you saw on the website, 3 mock tests are there, which are full length mock tests, fully your STQC paper. Okay, and 10 non-tech mock tests are also there, which is non-tech, for non-tech portion. You can give this anytime, there is no problem. The concern is of this, right? So I want that, suppose on 5th of December we have paper. On 5th of December we have paper, okay, which will be our Sunday. So the previous 3 Sundays, means Sunday, this is also Sunday, this is also Sunday, and this is also Sunday. Okay, just give that mock in the time that your scientist B time is 3:30 to 6:30. So if possible you can give that also. So 1 mock here, 1 mock here, 1 mock here, and here our main paper. Okay, like that. So you will not feel stressed. All the stress and everything will be handled here. Okay, you will feel it regular paper only. There will be no problem. Definitely little stress will be there, because obviously it's an actual exam, but still this will help you. Okay, so I want that you should organize this mock test like this only. Okay, so I hope that all the resources are clear, how to use them are clear. Now it's up to you that how creatively you use. Okay, just avoid each and every activity. I know it is difficult, but definitely if you want something, just remember this, that this 50 days now, from 9th of October to your 4th of December, just 50 days left approximately. So it will change your next 70 years. Okay, it will give you better opportunity. If you are not getting better opportunity at your workplace right now, you want promotion, you want better pay, you want I can say security. Okay, I will not say little pressure, because in NIC and your STQC also pressure will be there. Okay, but still at least security and everything will be there. Respect, main is respect, because if you are working as software developer, then it is no value according to society. I am telling, obviously lots of work we software developer also do. Okay, so like these points are there. So just dedicate this 50 days for no party, no outing, nothing. Okay, just sacrifice everything for this 50 days, and then after 50 days you can do whatever you want, obviously. But at least for this 50 days I want just to follow the routine, stick to the routine. Now suppose now It is not like that I told you 50 days plan, so you will follow that smoothly. Okay, it will not happen. Sometime due to office environment, or I can say any external environment, you will feel bored, or you will not in the mood of to do study. Obviously, I was also there. Okay, that's why I'm telling you. So you can take the day off, but make sure that it will be Monday to Friday only. Okay, Saturday Sunday no day off at all. If you don't want to study, pick a day. Okay, pick only one day in a week, I'm telling. But not, it is not like every week, but just if you want, just one day out of 50 days. Okay, and it will be from Monday to Friday only, no Saturday Sunday. Saturday Sunday is strictly booked for your study. Otherwise it will be very difficult to crack or the exam, because you are competing with those who are preparing full time. Okay, you are daily, they are means in continuously touch with their studies. There is no other thing in their mind, only study like that. Okay, so to, if you want to beat those, then definitely you can do this. This is the best way actually. Okay, so I guess lots of things I did share with you guys now, and you don't need to mention anything. Okay, if you feel any query, anything, definitely you can contact on our Apna Government Job contact number also. I am there. Okay, I resolve many things. If you want what I can do, if you make your time, okay, anything you want, just contact me. We will discuss. So don't worry at all. Just follow, okay, dedicatedly. Definitely it will be difficult, but we need to do to change our life, and not our to those people also, those who are connected with us, like our family, our wife, girlfriend, like that. Okay, so all the best for 2 months. And this thing you will remember, okay, because I remember today also that 4 hours in traveling, everyone is playing, everyone is listening song, and I am doing just practice, and I am reading notes. So it will means I lots of things I learned from that. Okay, I also know that you will also get something from that, and it will never get wasted in your life. You can apply anything. Okay, you will get some new things about you that you should know. You for okay, at this time you don't know about yourself. Definitely in this 50 days you will see a different one in you. Okay, so just give your best. Anything is there, definitely contact me. I will there to help you. All the best.